Torquey Atlas, models, features, explore, learn. Ladies and gentlemen, today I have the pleasure of talking to you about an iconic vehicle that has redefined the standards of high-performance sedans, the BMW M5. Since its debut in 1984, the M5 has captivated driving enthusiasts around the world, seamlessly blending exhilarating performance, remarkable agility, and unparalleled luxury. With every new generation, BMW has pushed the boundaries of innovation, and the M5 continues to be a perfect balance of a sports car and a luxury sedan. The BMW M5 made its way to the American market in October 2005, delivering even greater levels of performance, technology, and refinement than its predecessors. In 2007, BMW M introduced a 6-speed manual transmission, an exclusive no-cost option for the North American market. This was a dream come true for purists who crave the hands-on engagement of a manual gearbox, allowing them to fully experience the thrill of the M5's monstrous 500 horsepower, 5.0-liter V10 engine. The manual transmission was designed with enthusiasts in mind, offering perfectly arranged pedals for seamless heel and toe downshifting, further enhancing the connection between the driver and the car. This M5 isn't just about raw power, it's about control and precision. The car features BMW's M Dynamic Mode, a system designed to enable spirited driving with increased longitudinal and lateral acceleration on dry road surfaces. While the system allows for some driver corrections, it ensures that stability interventions occur at a reduced level, providing an engaging and rewarding driving experience. Beyond performance, BMW has equipped the M5 with cutting-edge technology and luxurious enhancements. Standard features include a tire pressure monitor system and a 4-year subscription to both BMW Assist and real-time traffic information, ensuring safety and convenience for every journey. Although the M5 shares its platform with the BMW 5 Series, it is a completely different beast, developed entirely by BMW M, the division responsible for high-performance models. The M5 is meticulously engineered and manufactured in BMW's Dingolfing plant in Germany, located 60 miles northeast of Munich. Let's talk numbers. Under the hood lies a 5.0-liter V10 engine, producing an astounding 500 horsepower and 383 pound-feet of torque, a significant upgrade from the previous generation's 4.9-liter V8. The M5 comes standard with a 7-speed sequential manual gearbox SMG, but, as mentioned earlier, a 6-speed manual transmission is available for those who prefer a more traditional driving experience. Handling and ride quality have been fine-tuned for performance and comfort. The M variable differential lock, a specially modified and calibrated suspension system, and BMW's electronic damping control provide 3 selectable modes, allowing the driver to adjust the suspension for various driving conditions. The steering system is quicker than that of the regular 5 Series, and the power assistance adjusts based on speed for a precise and responsive feel. The braking system is equally impressive, featuring BMW's largest and most powerful cross-ventilated disc brakes. With 19-inch alloy wheels and Z-rated performance tires, the M5 maintains superb traction and grip on the road. One of the standout features of the M5 is the M-Drive system, integrated into BMW's iDrive interface. This feature allows the driver to customize performance and handling settings, tailoring the car's dynamics to their preferences with the push of a button. The M5's design is unmistakably BM. The front bumper, spoiler, and air intake assembly give the car an aggressive yet elegant look, while the signature M gills on the front fenders add a distinctive touch. The side profile features special rocker panels with sharp accent lines and satin chrome shadowline trim around the windows. Aerodynamically optimized M mirrors, a uniquely sculpted trunk lid, and a rear bumper with an integrated spoiler and diffuser all contribute to the car's commanding presence. And, of course, no BMW M car would be complete without the signature 4 stainless steel exhaust outlets. Step inside, and you are welcomed by an interior that perfectly balances sportiness with luxury. The M5 comes with a unique instrument cluster and an available head-up display featuring M-specific information. The short, illuminated gear shifter, either for the SMG or manual transmission, adds to the high-performance feel. The front seats are not only heated, but also offer 18-way adjustability, ensuring maximum comfort and support during spirited driving. For those who desire even greater luxury, optional 20-way M multi-function comfort seats with active backrest width adjustment provide additional lateral support when cornering. Premium merino leather upholstery is available in 3 unique treatments, while brushed aluminum trim comes standard, with 2 different wood options available at no extra cost. All in all, the BMW M5 is a true masterpiece, designed for those who demand both high performance and everyday usability. Whether you're carving through winding mountain roads, pushing the car to its limits on a racetrack, or simply cruising on the highway, the M5 delivers an unforgettable driving experience. With a history of innovation and excellence, the BMW M5 continues to set the benchmark for what a high-performance sedan should be. For more, you can follow my Torque Atlas channel and turn on notifications.